1969 Mercedes-Benz 280Se Cabriolet. Car descriptions: year 1969, make Mercedes-Benz, model 280Se, color dark red metallic, VIN 111,25,100,003,129, mileage 19,970, stock number 407,657, engine inline 6, transmission 4-speed automatic, style cabriolet. Highlights: spectacular condition California car from new, just released from a Beverly Hills collection of a prominent producer, rare and desirable W111 Mercedes-Benz 280Se Cabriolet, one of only 1,300 not built, meticulously maintained from new, stunning factory color combination, highly desirable factory floor shift automatic transmission. Little conditioning documentation includes original books, toolkit, service records, on-data car drives, and performs as new, simply one of the best examples on the market today. A collector's dream. Options include air conditioning, power windows, power steering, power brakes, Zebrano wood dash, full leather interior, Becker Grand Prix radio, automatic floor shifter. The Mercedes-Benz 280Se 5-passenger cabriolets were virtually hand-built automobiles in the great tradition of German craftsmanship and were demanding a lavish price. The acres of wood trim throughout the interior were all genuine solid hardwood, accented by the gentle use of brightwork. The leather upholstery was thick and comfortable, and both the ride quality and handling were, and continue to be, superb. Perhaps, unsurprisingly, these cars rapidly became favorites of international socialites and celebrities, and they were frequently seen cruising in all of the world's most posh destinations. The stunning 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280Se Cabriolet featured here is finished in stunning dark red metallic over a black leather interior and black folding convertible top. Fitted with nearly every available option, including air conditioning, floor automatic shifter, Zebrano wood trim, and Becker Grand Prix radio, this spectacular investment-grade Mercedes-Benz 280Se Cabriolet has just been released from a prominent collection of a Beverly Hills movie producer who has meticulously maintained it to the highest standards. A complete recent service has been performed and it is now ready for its next caretaker. We are proud to offer this incredible 5-passenger 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280Se Cabriolet to the most demanding collector, investor, or enthusiast who understands and appreciates the investment potential of this great German classic.